Hey guys, good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting the vlog and today the date is 27th and now the time is around 11:25. So I started the vlog quite late. Sorry for that. So I was occupied as I told you in the last vlog, like I'm traveling, so I was quite busy in packing the things and my home is messed up like anything. Now I am sitting on my working area. Okay, my daughter is here. So I was editing some videos for my Arpita's kitchen channel ko. So I'll just edit those things and I'll upload. That is one thing, and I need to take my son to vaccination as my travel date is on Wednesday. So it's before that I need to complete one vaccination for him. 1 year, 2 months. So chicken pox ka. So now I'm just heading out to get vaccinated for him, and I'll come back and I'll show you the things I have packed. I have packed some provision things because I have two kids. I don't want a mess once I land up in Dubai. Even though it's very well furnished and everything is there, because I am traveling to Dubai from past 3 to 4 years, so the home is set up. But I don't want to take a chance as it is COVID situation. I can't go out as soon as I enter that country. So I am packing some. Sorry for the background noise. Some construction work is going on. So I'll show you that, and I have packed some my cabin bag. So I'll just make another video in this channel where I talk about what and all essential things that can be carried when we are traveling with the kids in the cabin bag. So what's in my bag video, I'll shoot that. So that's it. So yeah, let's go out and get my son vaccinated now. Follow me, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like to all about girls trending, and also comment below what type of product review you want to see, what type of videos you want to see, vlog, travel vlog, product review, DIYs, etc. Follow me. So guys, I'm back home. I came home and I took bath. I make sure like once I step out, I'll come back and take a bath, because to be extra careful these days. So my son is here and my daughter is here.
Hi.
Say hi.
And my tooth is wiggling.
Okay, so now I have given some homework to my daughter. She's doing Hindi. She has the periodic test, online test from next week. So she's doing that. I'll be going up and I'll continue my packing. Before that, I want coffee. I'll just have some coffee and I'll go up. So yeah, follow me to know what I have packed. Say hi, Cynthia. Okay, he needs that. Okay. Yeah, we'll go up. I came to my room, so I packed one suitcase. I'll just show you in a while. One more is half done. Like I have packed my daughter's thing and my mom's dresses and other stuff. I have two stuffs to show you guys, which I'm taking along with me. So I'll just show you where I have packed my mom's dress and my daughter's dress over there, and I have one more over there. I have my son's dress and my dresses, few dresses and some groceries. So room is quite messy, don't judge me for that. I have two stuffs which I ordered from firstcry. I wanted to share with you guys before packing it up. So I have here this fun with words. Hope you can see. I'll just take stuff I got from firstcry for my son and for my daughter as well. These are like educational toys which I used for my daughter as well. It was very useful for her. Now she's like 6-7 years. So now I got few stuffs for my son. I'll just show you guys. So these are like a puzzles. Hope you can see. These will be like a 2-3 pieces puzzle, like A to Z wordings. So for example, C for cap, F for fox. So these were used by my daughter as well. She used to do a lot of puzzle. A for apple, 2-piece puzzle, single piece puzzle. So now I got from my son, because in Dubai I want to keep him occupied, which is educational as well. So I got this one, and one more I got this one, Junior Happy Train So made in India one ka. This is like cubes which can be made into trains, robots or dolls. Creative stuffs. We'll get one more book as well in this activity book, which will be like colorful blocks and painting stuff. So it will be like an helpful. That activity book will be done by my daughter. I know that, but this will be like an helpful. He can recognize colors. First thing, he can recognize the shapes as well, triangle, rectangle, squares, and he can build it up, and he likes to build up things. So I got this one. So these things I ordered from firstcry. So I'll just mention those links in description box. If you want to go and purchase, you can do it right away. And I have some fancy store items for me, which will be available in Dubai, but I want to keep myself what to say, loaded with those things. So these are like small clips like this. I usually go with the black. I don't like those color things, so this will be used for my daughter as well and for myself. So I got these sheets, 2 of these sheets, and I have this Nivea lip balm. So these stuffs I ordered from Nykaa. I'll just mention those things in the description box. Please check out Nykaa. There are a lot of offers going on. You can grab some of the things. So I got this peach shine lip balm from Nivea. I have all the shades from this brand. This is very moisturizing. Right now also I have on my lips, which is like a berry thing. Yeah, 24 hours some moisturizing lip care. So these two I got, and I have some rubber bands, random stuff which I need, and some safety pins and some hair pins. I can't go around. Yeah, one more I got from Nykaa is this everyuth scrub. My skin will become very rough because I have lot of whiteheads around my nose, so scrubbing is must for me. So I got this exfoliator, walnut and apricot scrub from everyuth, and I have one more kajal, I believe. Yes, yeah, this is LIT something combo was going on. Dazzler ka. This is like an kajal plus mascara combo. Hope you can see this. I got it for 150 rupees. Some offer was there, but original MRP is 150 rupees. So this combo thing, I'm not opening up this thing. It will go to my suitcase directly. So I have some more rubber bands for my daughter and for myself, and some random clips, small cutie clips. So these things I got, and some bindis, lot of bindis for my mom, for myself, for my daughter. These are for myself, small, and these big ones are for my mom. And I got some stone stuff for my daughter. She will be using those things. Okay, these are the things I'm going to pack now. I have that fab pouch, yeah, fab bag pouches. So I'll just make sure everything is nicely packed in separate pouches and put it onto my suitcase. So, and I have some medicinal pouches as well. So I have Dolapur, which is like an paracetamol and also painkiller, and also I have Dolo 650 stripes, which is again paracetamol. These are like sugar tablets for my mom. I have Vicks, Samritnanjan, everything. Okay, I have one more cute little clip for my daughter. I got this one. So these are the stuff I need to pack now. So a lot of things are going on. I have 2 more days. I need to pack up grocery. I have not gone to kitchen yet. Still dresses, groceries, that toy stuff start packing up. So hopefully today I'll complete all these things and make the room clean. So I'll end this vlog here. Hopefully you liked it. If so, please subscribe. All about girls trending. Comment below what type of videos you want to see in my channel. Meet you in Dubai. Meanwhile, if possible, I'll make one more vlog where I'll be packing my grocery things, or one more vlog where we are heading to airport stuff, how the airports are now after COVID and other stuff. I'll just show you, try to show if possible. So those videos will be up once I'm in Dubai, not now. So I'll try to record those things as well and share with you guys. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for your support, love you're showing to me, and also check out my other channel, Arpita's Kitchen. I'll mention that in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all guys. Bye.